work is at an advanced stage, and we want to appreciate the patience of the people. They have shown a lot of patience. They be accommodating to our men and to the construction workers. It's not easy to be in that traffic. I also go through it, and I know it could be very, very hectic. But we appreciate the patience and telling them that there is light at the end of the tunnel. In a few months' time, they will be reaping the pains. Yeah, their suffering will become a thing of joy.
The Lagos State government, they are really working hard on the construction. So we are going to enjoy the whole place. Though I'm a resident here, it has not been easy going out, coming in. But we thank God, because at the end of the day, we are going to smile.